Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make like soap slime. So you have to make this over here. But what you have, you need like two little bowls. I have two little Play-Doh things because my dad won't let me use anything that involves detergent or anything. So you're gonna pour your clearance fresh spring stuff or whatever. I'm gonna put literally that much. Literally half of the bowl. And it's already kind of residuey. I mean, I don't like slimes that are really residuey. I forgot my salt. What's the best thing for a slime is that you probably want activator. I put activator in my creamer thing because I don't know what to use. I'm going to just pour some activator on here. Okay. I put half of the size of it, and then you just mix it until it gets the form of what you want. Mine is probably going to be a little overactivated. Ow, I suck. Whoa. Okay, I need some. Okay. It's not be messed up. I'm just gonna. Okay. So it's kind of forming what you want in a slime. I'm gonna add some salt. I literally add sometimes a little too much. I have to throw it on a plate because it's so messy. I'm sorry if you guys see my pores. I literally just woke up and it's 3 o'clock in the morning. And it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and it sucks when you have to get used to getting up at 3 o'clock in the morning, and it's just weird because I've had to do it before. I mean, this slime's kind of coming together. It's really still sticky. You really don't want sticky slime. I suck at making sticky and non-sticky. It kind of needs would it need some water? I'm gonna go grab some water. Let's see. I'll just add a little bit more of this. And then I'll add. I think it's activating. I think since I used a little bowl, it's kind of just now activating. But look, guys, it's really gluey now. I think it's clogged. It's really not as residuey. I'll do it. Let's wash it wet. Sorry, I got the song stuck in my mind. I'll clear your problems. I'll take your pain. It's like such a good song. I've got it stuck in my head. Probably because of all the ads that on Snapchat that I've mix it all up. Okay, it's mixing. Okay, mix. I mean, it's really jiggly. It needs to be kneaded. That's the problem. That's the problem. Oh my gosh, I don't know what's wrong with me. Oh gosh, okay. I need some boat to hold. Okay. I wonder if you can make slime out of Gatorade for some reason. I've always got it like stuck in my mind. I mean, my friend's gonna come over tonight, and we're gonna see if that can do. I'm going to be going live tonight, so guys, with my friend, please go to Twitch, and I will get you like a live chat, and like we'll do live things together. You guys will be able to talk to me. But who wants to conversate with me? I'm weird. I mean, I have like 4 subscribers. No, I don't. I have like 400 subscribers. Alright, guys. If we hit 5 million this year, I'll clear your problems. I'll do your thing. I get a scared fitty. Whoa! What is this? Ew. This soap slime is really actually kind of coming together. Okay. Okay, I'm dumping it now out on the plate to like play with it and see if it activated, because it kind of needs like kneading, I guess. That's what you would say. Yeah, it's kind of working. Man, it's kind of globbing up, and this is what it's supposed to do. I think. I need to go get my towels. Those. Okay. This slime is working, I think. I would say that it's working. Here, look at it, guys. It's kind of working. Guess it? You probably can't because whatever. Leonard, what are you doing? Okay, guys, I'm really just like trying to keep it cool with this slime because this slime kind of doesn't really actually want to activate. I mean, it's a soap slime. That's what it does. It's supposed to be hard to like make slime with it. This is such a pretty color, guys. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. It needs probably like another minute or two to... In this one, at the bottom, I left some glue. I mean, not glue, soap at the bottom, so it kind of like is gonna be, just mixing it. Okay, I'm gonna add some salt. Okay, a little bit of salt to activate. Do this a little more until it slowly like activates. Because this is slowly activating, like, guys, it's probably not even going to be slime for pretty much. Okay, guys, so this is a fail. This slime is technically a fail. Okay, guys, so this literally was a fail. It actually was kind of sad because it was a fail. I'm going to do the next slime. It's also, ingredients is basaconta. It's weird. I don't know. I really don't know that Spanish or whatever that was speaking. I just spilled like all of this so-called soap glue on the table. I'm gonna see if I pick it up. Oh please. No! Dang it. Let me go get a towel and fast. I'm sorry, also, I might be drinking coffee in front of you guys. because I'm serious about my coffee. I think I'm just going to use this instead of using like weird material. Okay, so this slime is definitely, this is like melted. This glue is like, in this like weird consistency, like slime. Okay. Whew. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna add a bunch of like best friend, Georgie, gave that to me for school. My God, Georgie. YJ's Y race, Y horse. Danielle Gordita. Okay, guys. These two slimes were like legit fails. Legit fail. Legitimately fails. I mean, I don't remember doing any other like, but I will come back to you guys in a little bit. We will be fixing like a big freaking giant container of slime. And thank you so much for watching. I really, really did appreciate it, and I'm sorry that all of these slimes were fails. I actually feel bad because they were all fails. I mean, I love you guys. Bye!